Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'll show you another HeyGem installation. In the first video I show you how the HeyGem actually works, and we can use HeyGem Unlimited as long as our CPU or GPU supported. And following that video I show you how to officially install the HeyGem, and this is the better method because this is the official way of installing the HeyGem. But this one will be a little bit complex, that require Docker and then subsequently installing all the files and finally to the HeyGem. But this is the recommended way. But today's video I will show you how you can install HeyGem without installing anything. That means there's no Docker required or any other stuff. So how do we do that? First, you have to download it from this website here, which I'll provide in the description below. Once you're at this website, this is basically the file that I share. Just click on this download button and it should start downloading. So after you finish downloading, then you have this file over here. This is unzipped, so you can either use a WinZip or WinRAR to unzip the folder. Basically from here, I want to unzip the folder onto any place that you want. And the good thing about this is that there's no installation required. So you don't have to install anything. It just runs from the folder itself. This is good for someone if you are just want to test out HeyGem. Of course, the best way is to use the official one, because the official one will be the proper way and it is much faster. Using this method that I'm going to show you, this one is the HeyGem Lite version. It still does everything as the normal one, but it takes a longer time because this is a light version. But everything else will be the same. I will say that if you want to test out how HeyGem actually works, then use this method. And another thing is that if you are doing just one video or two videos a month and you don't want to install the Docker and other stuff that's complicated, then use this method, because since you're only doing one or two videos. Apart from that, I would recommend that you go through the official way and install the HeyGem if you're a heavy user. So right now, let's just wait for a while for the unzip to finish. Okay, now that the unzip is done, what we are left with is this folder. Of course, I've prepared two files. One is a video, one is the audio, then we can start using it. Once you have unzipped it, then you can choose to delete this file or keep it for future use. That's up to you. I like to delete it. And then just open up this folder. So when you open up this folder, actually the HeyGem is already inside all this file. What you need to do is actually click on this start button, which I will do it now. Just double click on this start button. You will open this prompt over here. Because remember that HeyGem is developed by a Chinese. So we have all this thing over here. It may download a little bit of thing for the first time that you're using. Other than that, okay, this is the interface. Remember, this is a light version. So over here you upload your video, and over here you upload your audio. And let's do that now. And then from here you can see the background over here. What is the task that they are running? And one thing is, don't close this box. So just drag the video over here and you can preview it if you want. And this is how the video look like. And then we drag the audio over here, and then we can preview the audio if you want.
This is Winston.
Otherwise, we'll just click on this generate button. Okay, over here you'll start to run. You'll start to merge the video and the audio. And from this background over here, you can also check what is the status. So basically it's telling you how many seconds it's running, although this is just a 10-second audio. But if you run it this way, then the process is going to be a lot longer than the official HeyGem software. But like I mentioned, if you're just doing 1 or 2 videos a month and you don't want to install anything, then go through this, because you don't have to install anything. As long as you have this folder, you are fine, and anytime you want to use it, you can just delete and throw it away. And nothing is installed onto your PC. Nothing extra is installed on your PC. So this may be good for some of the user, and we have to wait for the thing to finish processing. If you are using the official website and you have a good graphic card, so a 10-second video will probably take you about 30 to 40 seconds to finish, and that is considered very fast. And using a processor like mine that is old, that is 5 years ago. By the way, I'm using a NVIDIA card 3060 Ti, and also remember the spec here. Remember the spec here. And you still need to have a proper CPU and GPU. The main thing is the GPU. Recommended is 4070. I'm using a 3060 Ti, so that is much older graphic card. And we can see from here that they are processing the video. And if you look at the official website, it mentioned that you need a D drive. If you are using this official one, that means the interface of this one, you need a D drive. But for this method that I am telling you, you don't need all this kind of extra D drive or anything. There's no need, because everything, all the input and output will be stored over here. So you actually don't need all this extra thing. And we need to go back, check here, the window over here, and also we check over here. Now it's taking about 4 minutes. So using this, it will generate longer, because this is just a 10-second video, but it's good for testing. And if you like the result that you are seeing and you are happy with it, and you think you want to use HeyGem, then go through this video and do a proper installation of HeyGem. Okay, so now the video is done and we can preview it.
This is Winston. Welcome to my channel. If you like this channel, please subscribe, like and share the video with your friend. Thank you.
Then if you want to download the video, click on this button over here. This is a download icon, and then you download, and this will be the downloaded video.
This is Winston. Welcome to my channel. If you like this channel, please subscribe, like and share the video with your friend. Thank you.
Okay, this is a lip syncing part, and the original video is actually this. I showed you before in my previous video. The man is not talking at all, the lip is not moving, and that is the original video. So after we done the lip syncing, and this is the end result.
This is Winston. Welcome to my channel. If you like this channel, please subscribe, like and share the video with your friend. Thank you.
Okay, I think the lip syncing part for HeyGem is pretty advanced, and I'm very satisfied with the lip syncing. It's just that the processing time of using this way is much longer. So personally, if I wanted to do lip syncing, I'll go through the proper way of installation of the HeyGem. But anyway, what I'm showing you is this. How to install without any Docker, and there's nothing to install. Basically, you download the file, unzip, and when you are here, click on the start button. Click on the start button and you have this black window over here, which is the command prompt. After that, you'll start the software onto your browser, and then you can start to do the video. And you'll come to this page, and then you can drag your video here, drag your audio here, and do it. And you have to do the video one by one. Unlike the official one, you can do a batch processing. That means you can upload 10 video and 10 audio, and then you can run on the background. But this method here is doing it one by one. And this is a way to test out HeyGem. And this is HeyGem Lite. There's nothing to install, so just unzip the file and run it. Test it out, and let me know in the comment section if you like HeyGem. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video.